Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gaming VR headset bundles that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews, okay? So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the HTC Vive Pro Focus Plus 6DoF VR headset in almond white bundle. This headset is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at $137.97. It comes with the headset, controllers, a face cushion, a quick charge 3.0 charger, and a USB Type-C cable, making it a complete bundle for entry-level users. This headset features 6 degrees of freedom, 6DoF controllers, and boasts a 2880 by 1600 resolution, offering crisp visuals for its price point. The ergonomic design ensures comfort, even for users who wear glasses, and the lightweight build makes it portable. However, the product falls short when it comes to user reviews, scoring just 2.7 out of 5 stars. Many users have noted that while the visuals are decent, the performance isn't quite on par with premium options. It's worth mentioning that this headset is optimized for business applications like VR training, rather than gaming. If you're someone who is new to VR or needs an affordable option for basic use, the HTC Vive Pro Focus Plus can be a decent choice. However, its limited gaming capabilities and mixed user feedback mean it's best suited for casual or commercial use. Pros include its low price, portability, and decent visuals for the cost. On the downside, it lacks the immersive experience offered by higher-end models. At number 4, we have the PlayStation VR headset plus camera bundle, discontinued, renewed. This bundle is available for $218.95 and is a solid option for PlayStation 4 owners looking to dabble in VR gaming. The package includes the PSVR headset and the PlayStation camera, making it a plug-and-play solution for PS4 users. One of the standout features of this headset is its ever-expanding library of VR games. PlayStation has consistently delivered high-quality gaming experiences, and this headset is no exception. The lightweight and comfortable design make it easy to forget you're wearing it, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the virtual world. However, as a renewed product, it may show minor signs of wear and tear, and the discontinued status means long-term support and updates could be limited. This headset is ideal for PlayStation enthusiasts who want an affordable way to explore VR gaming. While it doesn't offer the cutting-edge features of newer models, it's a reliable choice for casual gaming. Pros include its affordability, ease of setup, and access to the PlayStation VR game library. Cons include its dated technology and the potential for limited availability of replacement parts and updates. Coming in at number 3, we have the Meta Quest 2, advanced all-in-one virtual reality headset with 128 gigabytes of storage. Meta has created a fan favorite with this headset, which boasts a 4.7-star average rating from over 77,000 users. While the exact price may vary, this headset is known for its excellent value and versatility. The Meta Quest 2 is a standalone device, meaning you don't need a PC or console to enjoy immersive VR experiences. With features like 3D positional audio, hand tracking, and a robust game library of over 500 titles, this headset is perfect for both casual and serious gamers. The setup process is straightforward, and the built-in battery allows for portability. However, some users have noted that the battery life could be longer, and the comfort level may diminish during extended sessions. If you're looking for a wireless, easy-to-use VR headset with a wide range of games and applications, the Meta Quest 2 is a fantastic choice. Pros include its portability, expansive game library, and excellent user reviews. Cons are its limited battery life and occasional comfort issues after prolonged use. At number 2, we have the Meta Quest 2 with 256 gigabytes of storage. This version offers all the same features as the 128 gigabyte model, but doubles the storage space. making it ideal for users who plan to download a lot of games and apps. This headset offers a smooth and seamless VR experience thanks to its high-resolution display and fast processor. The wireless setup, combined with intuitive controllers and a built-in battery, ensures maximum freedom and portability. With a library of over 250 titles and expanding, the Meta Quest 2 is a versatile device for gaming, fitness, and social experiences. However, like the 128GB version, it suffers from limited battery life and minor comfort issues during extended play sessions. If you want a standalone VR headset with plenty of storage for your games and apps, the 256GB Meta Quest 2 is an excellent choice. Pros include the extra storage space, wireless convenience, and a robust game library. Cons include the same battery and comfort limitations as the 128GB model. Finally, at number 1, we have the HTC Vive XR Elite with Deluxe Pack, the ultimate choice for VR and mixed reality enthusiasts. Priced at $699.99. This premium headset offers an unparalleled experience for gamers who want the best of the best. The Vive XR Elite features a stunning 3840 by 1920 resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and immersive gameplay. The Deluxe Pack includes essential accessories like the Vive Face Gasket 2.0 and Vive Deluxe Strap, enhancing both comfort and usability. The swappable battery design allows for extended play sessions, while features like hand tracking and full-color pass-through elevate the mixed reality experience. However, at nearly $700, this headset is a significant investment and might not be suitable for casual users. If you're a serious gamer or a tech enthusiast willing to invest in cutting-edge VR technology, the HTC Vive XR Elite is the perfect choice. Pros include its high-quality visuals, advanced features, and premium build. Cons include the high price point and niche appeal of some features. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.